Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the financial impact of occupancy in call centers. In today's competitive environment, occupancy isn't just an operational metric. It's a financial performance driver. Too high, and you risk agent burnout, SLA penalties, and lost revenue opportunities. Too low, and you face idle time, higher costs per call, and reduced profitability. This presentation will give you a comprehensive analysis of how occupancy levels influence cost efficiency through labor optimization and reduced overtime. Revenue generation by minimizing call abandonment and maximizing sales conversions. Agent productivity by balancing workloads and preventing fatigue, and long-term profitability by improving customer loyalty and lowering hiring costs. By the end, you'll see exactly how strategic occupancy management connects operations to financial success. Let's start by looking at the revenue impact of high occupancy in a call center, specifically focusing on sales and upsell opportunities. When occupancy levels rise above 95%, agents become fully loaded with little to no buffer for additional calls. This leads to longer queue times, causing frustrated customers to abandon calls before they even reach a sales representative. Here's a simple example. Imagine a call center receiving 10,000 inbound sales calls per month. With high occupancy driving up queue times, 20% of these calls, that's 2,000 potential customers, hang up before connecting. Now, if the average conversion rate for sales calls is 10%, this translates into 200 sales opportunities lost every single month. At an average sale value of $100, that's $20,000 in monthly revenue gone, purely due to high occupancy and longer wait times. This scenario shows how operational inefficiencies directly affect the top line, making occupancy not just a workforce metric but a critical revenue driver. Now, let's look at how high occupancy levels impact customer retention and lifetime value, or CLV. When agents operate under consistently high occupancy, fatigue begins to set in. This often leads to longer average handle times as agents struggle to keep up, along with a decline in customer satisfaction scores, or CSAT. And the consequences don't stop there. Lower CSAT levels frequently translate into higher customer churn. Customers who experience long wait times or rushed interactions are less likely to stay loyal to the brand, resulting in a drop in lifetime value per customer. The ripple effect. A lower CLV forces the business to spend more on marketing and acquisition costs just to replace the customers it loses, creating a financial drain that could have been avoided by simply managing occupancy levels more effectively. In short, high occupancy doesn't just strain your agents, it directly erodes customer loyalty and drives up long-term business costs. Next, let's examine the operational cost impact, starting with labor costs, which are directly influenced by occupancy levels. When occupancy is too low, it often means the center is overstaffed. Agents spend more time idle, leading to a higher cost per call and reduced cost efficiency. Essentially, the business is paying for capacity that isn't being used effectively. On the other hand, high occupancy brings the opposite problem, understaffing. Agents become overworked, resulting in the need for overtime pay to handle call volumes. Prolonged periods of overwork also lead to higher attrition rates as employees burn out, driving up recruitment and training costs to replace them. In short, both extremes, overstaffing and understaffing, hurt operational efficiency. The key lies in maintaining balanced occupancy levels to keep labor costs optimized while ensuring service quality isn't compromised. Another major operational cost factor linked to occupancy levels is repeat call volume. When occupancy stays consistently high, agents often feel rushed to clear calls quickly. This pressure increases the risk of errors or incomplete resolutions during the first interaction. As a result, customers are forced to call back multiple times to resolve the same issue. These repeat calls not only drive up telecom costs but also increase labor expenses as more agent hours are consumed to handle issues that should have been fixed the first time. Over time, this cycle creates a hidden cost drain for the business, one that can be avoided by maintaining balanced occupancy levels, allowing agents the time needed to provide quality resolutions and reduce repeat interactions. Let's now look at how high occupancy levels can directly impact service levels and SLA compliance, both critical for contact centers, especially in outsourced or BPO contracts. When occupancy runs too high, agents are stretched thin, leading to late response times and missed SLA targets. Many outsourcing agreements include financial penalties for SLA breaches, so every missed target can translate into real cost implications for the business. But the risks don't stop there. Poor SLA compliance often results in lower customer satisfaction, as clients expect fast and consistent service. In highly competitive industries, this can lead to lost contracts as clients move to vendors who can deliver better performance and reliability. In other words, managing occupancy isn't just about workforce efficiency, it's about protecting revenue, reputation, and long-term client relationships. Finally, let's explore how technology and automation deliver measurable return on investment when managing occupancy. With tools like AI-powered forecasting, intelligent call routing, and self-service options such as chatbots and IVR, a significant portion of routine call traffic can be diverted away from live agents. This keeps occupancy levels balanced while preventing agents from being overwhelmed during peak periods. As a result, organizations experience lower overtime costs and reduced dependency on additional staffing to manage fluctuating volumes. In many cases, the initial investment in these technologies pays for itself within 6 to 12 months through higher call containment rates, improved agent productivity, and better customer experiences. In short, AI and automation don't just optimize occupancy, they deliver sustainable cost savings and a fast, tangible ROI. Let's now compare before and after scenarios to see the tangible financial impact of optimizing occupancy levels. Under high occupancy conditions at 95%, we see significant challenges. Abandonment rates reach to 0%, meaning thousands of calls and potential revenue are lost each month. Overtime costs climb to $8,000, driven by agent fatigue and staffing shortages. Attrition rates surge to 25%, adding heavy recruitment and training expenses. CSAT scores stagnate at 70%, indicating frustrated customers and lower loyalty. And cost per call spikes to $6.50, inflating operational costs per interaction. Now, after optimizing occupancy to a balanced 85%, the transformation is dramatic. Abandonment drops to just 5%, retaining 15% more calls, worth an extra $15,000 in revenue. Overtime costs shrink by $5,000 per month. Attrition falls to 12%, reducing recruitment and training expenses. CSAT scores jump to 90%, boosting customer retention and lifetime value. And cost per call falls to $5.20, improving overall cost efficiency. This clearly shows how balanced occupancy creates a win-win, lowering costs, boosting revenue, and improving both customer and employee experiences. Finally, let's talk about the strategic financial benefits of maintaining balanced occupancy levels. First, there's revenue protection. When more calls are answered promptly, you capture more sales opportunities, driving higher top-line growth. Next, cost optimization comes into play. With balanced occupancy, you reduce idle time during low volumes and overtime costs during peaks, creating optimized labor expenses across the board. Third, employee retention improves significantly. By preventing burnout and maintaining a sustainable workload, organizations cut down on hiring and training expenses, saving substantial HR costs over time. And finally, customer loyalty rises. Better service experiences lead to higher repeat purchases, stronger lifetime value, and lower marketing spend because happy customers stay longer and advocate for your brand. In short, strategic occupancy management delivers a ripple effect of financial gains, impacting revenue, cost efficiency, workforce stability, and customer lifetime value all at once. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.